Detroit motherfuckers. Thought they can gank us? Not here. What the fuck is wrong with you? Get your fucking hands off me. Move! I ain't gonna tell you no more, Dre. You ain't nothing but a killer, man. And so are you.
I know what the fuck going on.
Will, stop playing with these niggas.
I hear him talking, but they ain't about that action. Cause since the Tyler mama knew that I was active. I played them trenches making flips without a mattress. And really seen homie lose his life over a caption. Like why you claiming niggas wreck? Boy, you capping. Like I won't turn this to a horror film if you keep acting. Even if you had a head start with facts, I really put this blade through his chest if I catch it. And I played the block heavy 23 and 1. G-Lockin' got a switch, but it's 50 in his drum. Growing up was known for boxing, but ain't rumble since a pup. The type to see you pumping gas and give you 30 on pump 1. And if I catch him in the AM, bet he break fast. Cause I'm known to stalk and walk shit down like an apex. Stay strapped, safe sex, chest shot, face next. Bullet sparrow, tear through flesh, alter your features. Damn. And they never understood what niggas fabricate. They cop a plea, I let this judge determine a nigga fate. That boy turkey talk fly until we clip his wings and keep him Draco with wood grain. Whole 52 a chain. A big sipper, leaf twister, always keep it strain. You a whole rat caught in that trap, me sing like Eddie Kane. Niggas ain't that should be capped, this new era waves. I put it to your hat like a reenactment of Kirkle Bang. Now that's another artist deal, promotions before the bread. Talk heavy but not prepared, caught lacking and lost his head. It's like half of these niggas scared, quarter of them is red. A third of that wasn't there, and the rest of them got put to bed. So just know that I'm well prepared, high alert, so I'm well aware. Go to work like they pay me here, check my resume, put in years. Hear the whispers, they never clear, niggas pussy, I know they scared. Ran from hooping, you can't be serious, cause only lock up with that fears. And I was taught by the dope boys and raised by the shooters, tutored by the scammers and cut class with the boosters. While I ran with the big dogs, you bark with the poodles. So I keep it K and 9 for these mutts, I walk them to you. And I don't play nobody kids, I got 2 daughters, no cap. And I ain't run off on the plug, I cover orders, that's facts. And you gotta stay on point when you out here floating, can't lack. And whoever feeling brave to run up on me, stay strapped. Has you ever been mob deep in that quiet storm but get away? Catch a nigga thinking broad day to see his thought she play. Homie got left like he was late, trying to catch a train. Met him halfway like a trap, but left him on the scene as treacherous. No, ain't no love in this, your owner set you up. You trust a bitch, you put your all in it, that wasn't adding up. She for the street, she with it 4 feet, that shit done turn out. These bitches sweet, she turned out she a tweet, so what we talking about? A big dog, and I ain't with the talking, little nigga, don't get me pissed off. Though if I catch him walking, then it's barking like a pit bull. 30 shots stick, rubber grip, I keep a clip full. Cause know that for that green, I split a shell like a cash. You better have that pass when you pass through New Militant, I got you. Stay diligent and active just in case a nigga try you. Be hiding, I'ma find you. Crocodile teeth, wet a nigga like a bite.